It's like a good martini. A rum martini. But no, I have a problem with rum. Everybody around me has a problem with me with rum.
We're in Jamaica, Mom. Before the band begins, out on the glass bottom boat. Hell yeah. Sit there, we got all of our goods that we need. Yeah, Mom.
We had to leave Jolene on the shore.
Yeah, poor Jolene. Oh, that's bizarre. Look at that. Somebody will get dizzy off of that.
Look at that. We're all on that island. Oh, is that like the Hedonism Island?
Yes, plenty of hedonism.
And actually, you probably would do not much kinder and gentler.
That was on the boat.
I talk like other people.
You guys are going to be on YouTube, you know, Mom.
She's begging.
Did you get me on YouTube too, Sue?
Yep, everyone's going to be on
I don't
YouTube.
know if it's
See
that.
the-
Ooh, there's a tiger one there.
You'll see it in the camera.
Those are good colors.
That's Sergeant Major.
Ooh, that was a nice one.
Different corals.
Now, is that his name?
That's a
in
brain coral
particular,
right there. You see the
or
pattern?
is this
It's like the brain.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
the brain
yeah.
coral.
Cool.
Yeah, those are the coral.
I have lots of those at home.
Wow, it is beautiful. Wow.
Now you know. We just went by.
You guys need to
Look
open
at
your
those
eyes a
shells
little
right on that
bit.
piece of rock.
Well,
It's
I've
like
seen,
placed in
I've
there.
seen different. I've just seen different places. I said my husband died, so I would go and see him. I'm sure.
Oh, here's a nice
Oh, there's
piece.
a lot of fish
And
in
those
here.
black spiny stuff you seen, those are the long spine sea urchins.
Seriously.
All pretty water.
And those you don't want to mess with, alright?
Okay.
The white one right here,
Brain, doesn't it?
Is that what they
on the brain,
Yeah. We
that's
missed.
the West Indian sea urchin. The
Wow.
white round ones. But the
West
black ones, you
Indian.
don't want to mess with those.
Oh, you don't want to
Die.
mess with them.
Fire coral down here.
You don't want to mess with them.
Nasty, nasty stuff.
Any part of your body get in contact with the sea urchins, it breaks off in your flesh.
Oh my God.
Don't tell Debbie that she'll never go in the water all weekend.
Oh.
The black ones, the longer ones, those are the ones you don't want to mess with.
Cool.
Okay.
That was a cool
There's a nice big starfish too.
I saw a fish. I saw my
They're
first
different.
fish.
Whoa,
Those are different. I never saw
Very
starfish
orange.
like that.
Oh, look up and down the beach. They're all. I think they're all.
Yeah, but those were like cool looking.
Oh, this is beautiful.
You know what?
Look at
I
this,
think
you
it's because
guys.
these things are actually sucked down to the sand.
And the
I
broadleaf
think their
stuff,
entire body.
those
Yeah.
are the sea fans.
The sea fans?
Yeah.
Huh.
Those you see in different colors sometimes.
Wow.
I have purple at home. I know you're not supposed to take them, but I
Isn't it
think I
nice?
bought
We're
it.
not shoveling snow.
Oh, we're not shoveling snow. How
We're
great
not
is
shoveling
it?
anything but bullshit.
We
Oh, really? Oh,
Woo!
seriously, skiing. I think
Oh my God, Michelle, she's a trip.
Way up there.
So anyway, this is our first annual government mule, guys, and we're just partying pre-party
Pre-party.
to the opening night. Woohoo! The mule!